Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. Finally friends, the Realme Pad 3 is here in my studio and I did order this Realme Pad 3 for about 21,499 rupees in the Flipkart sale during the Republic Day sale. So right now there is a sale going on even at this moment of recording the video. You can actually buy this tablet for about 21,499. So you do need to have the HDFC credit card. You can get 4,000 rupees discount. And you can use 1000 rupees super coin as well. So 1000 super coins you can use. So if you do have the super coins left in your account, try to use that. So I did use a super coin and I did use a bank offer. So that's how I got this tablet for about 21,499. And if you don't have the super coins, you can get this tablet for about 22,499. And for this price, it is really the best tablet at this moment to buy. If you are a student, if you are considering to buy this tablet, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow the playlist videos for the Realme Pad 3. So there is a separate playlist videos which are available in my channel, as you can see. You can check the playlist videos every day and you can check whether is it kind of okay to buy or not by looking at the performance and everyday usage with the battery life and everything. So let's do the quick unboxing and initial impressions review. What is the contents it did get in the box? Is a Realme Pad tablet itself. Let me to keep this the tab looks like. It's pretty lightweight, not bad. It's not that heavy at this moment, so it's pretty good. Under 600 grams, the weight is really pretty much very lightweight, I would say. As you can see, this is a Realme Pad 3. So these are the back panel and build quality looks very solid in the Realme Pad 3. And we do get in the box, we do get the SD card opener, and there is also cable included in the box. And we do get a 45 watts charger. 45 watts charger is included in this box as well. So let me to keep everything aside. And let's do the quick unboxing and let's find out is there any juice left in the tablet or not. Let's do initial setup. And it is a Realme Pad 3 guys, and this is my first time booting up the device, and let's set up the device. In this complete video, I'll try to talk about how to set up the Realme Pad 3. And this tablet has got pretty good decent specifications with a 12,200 mAh of battery capacity, which is a key highlight point for this tablet, along with the Dimensity 7300 Max processor, which is also fantastic in terms of the performance wise at this kind of price range, I would say. And the tablet also comes with the SD card expansion. That is also a plus point. And you do have the back side. This is how the back panel looks like, as you can see. So complete body is kind of pretty stable and pretty solid body, I would say. Let me try to see if the tablet can stand still or not. I don't think so. I can try, but yeah. So this is how the interface looks like in the beginning. Let's click start. So let's click next. And let's select India. And next. Skip the Wi-Fi. I'll try to connect to the Wi-Fi connection later. Let's skip the Wi-Fi for now. And skip the fingerprint, and we do have the fingerprint scanner. That's also really pretty good useful feature. So if you want, you can turn on this one or you can disable that. So let's set up this. I don't want all of this anyway. Let me try to turn off everything. So you want a gesture control or with a normal buttons. So that is how it did task. So let me to select the buttons first and later I can change it, rearrange. So finally, it is the Realme UI all set in the Realme Pad 3. So which comes with the Realme UI 7 out of the box. That's pretty good thing. Right now, these are the Realme Pad 3 looks like. The display is really very good, guys. I can definitely feel the difference. The display panel looks pretty good in terms of the overall display colors. I'll definitely do the in-depth testing on this Realme Pad 3 very soon. So this is how simple it is to set up this Realme Pad 3 tablet. So let's go to the about device, and this is a Realme UI 7.0 which is running at this moment out of the box. And Dimensity 7300 Max, battery 12,200 mAh of battery capacity, and RAM, this is a 8GB RAM version, and we do have the expansion of up to 10GB, so total 18GB can be there. And out of 128GB, 17.5GB is already used by the system. So thank God this tablet has got the micro SD card support, which makes really pretty good deal for a lot of users who are actually planning to buy this tablet. Definitely, guys. So it's pretty good to see this kind of tab having the SD card, where the OnePlus doesn't have the SD card. You need to buy the 5G version, but this tab comes with the SD card by default. That's pretty good. So overall, this is how the interface looks. As you can see, pretty clean. Not many applications installed. Not many bloatware. That's good point in the tablet, maintaining pretty clean user experience. Except like LinkedIn, I didn't see any other third-party applications installed at this moment. That's also pretty good. I'm going to use this tablet for the next couple of days, and I'm going to review completely about this tablet, how is the overall user experience and everything. So the tablet also comes with a 120 Hz refresh rate display. So let me select to the maximum 120 Hz throughout the time. And let me just show you the battery settings. So the tablet comes with the 67% of the charging. That's also pretty neat. Out of the box, it did come to the 67%. So definitely you can use up to like 1 day without any problem before even starting your tablet. So no need to worry about the charging. So this is a new Realme UI 7.0. This is how it actually looks like. I'm going to do in-depth tutorial as well on the Realme UI 7.0. What are the settings you should know about. There is also dark mode available. That's good. It did go pretty dark, not bad. I'm going to do the display demonstration test as well. And the display looks really very stunning to watch these colors popping up. Definitely, guys, it doesn't feel like IPS LCD panel display. It feels really good to watch the content in this Realme Pad 3. I didn't expect this kind of display quality, which has got the 2.8K resolution display. So maybe that is the reason why I can see slightly kind of pretty good decent colors in this Realme Pad 3 overall. So not bad, guys, in terms of the display. It's pretty very good impressions in the beginning. So I liked overall colors and everything in this popping up in the Realme Pad 3, which is pretty good. So you do have the top and bottom slightly kind of bigger bezels. So this is the aspect ratio you need to deal with in case if you want to have this kind of book style aspect ratio. But overall, in my experience, it's pretty good. As you can see, the colors popping up are really fantastic at this moment. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the links in description for more playlist videos on the Realme Pad 3 device. Definitely. So in case if you plan to buy the Realme Pad 3 device, always check the playlist videos for more information on the smartphone. So go to my channel and go to the playlist section, and there you can find the Realme Pad 3, and there you can find all the videos which are uploaded on the Realme Pad 3. So definitely this is going to help you all in terms of deciding to buy this tablet or not for this kind of price range of 21,500 rupees. At this moment, it's pretty much good deal to buy, I would say, in terms of the build quality and everything. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. Bye.